Hey, it's DTM and I'm just getting home from a walk. We're gonna do a house tour today. And we start, of course, with the bikes. This is a modified touring bike hybrid and a beach cruiser there for guests. It's a really nice bike. And this is the castle. So we'll start with the bedroom. Super, like, ridiculously simple, right? And those are actually blackout cloths. So when you close the door, turn off the light, it's pitch black in here. That is actually a humidifier, and it's a really good one. And I don't know how much it was, maybe $100 or something. But it is really, really good because it's so dry here. I like to keep that thing running day and night, and then I can just sleep in here. And if I don't have it, I notice I'm a lot drier, my skin and stuff. This is the meditation closet. If you turn that off and you close the door, nice, right? And there's my pajamas. And this is the one door to the bathroom. This is the, I don't know, the guest bathroom. It's got a nice shower over here. So there's one shower and one bath shower combo. You'll have to see that. I got that all modified. A scale for when I'm fasting, just kind of like research purposes. I don't really care how much I weigh, but I kind of like to pay attention to the process of fasting, you know. So the vacuum and a little bit of storage, not much. There's the Wi-Fi and a little table. I found that little table in the dumpster, along with this table here, the computer table. See, we got 4 days, 10 hours, 16 minutes left on Dan the Man's Lifetime of Work birthday sale. So if you haven't picked that up yet, you may want to go do that. You get over, he says it's over, Ricky said over 1,000, but I did the math. It's well over $2,000 worth of all of my products. And you get all the online classes, get the 30-day Living Foods Transformational Program, and then you take that, and that's the recipe book and the 30-day transformational protocol, and you print that off. And then you get all these never before seen videos, all the ones that had to be taken down off the YouTube over the years with people like Stephanie Seneff and stuff, talking about the vaccines and all that. This is the all the audios that we transformed from video to MP3 audio, so you can stay motivated. Just listen to that while you're working or whatever. This is a video series with Lou Corona out in the desert. That was pretty cool. We were super hot that day. It was funny watching us both sweat on camera. This is all the Insiders Club videos that are only available with this sale. Same thing with the treasure chest, also only available with this sale. So a lot of videos that, you know, are just private. Here's this juicing collection. Oh, hummingbird. Oh, I hope you saw the last little bit of it. That was so cool. What a blessing. I gotta look that up. What does hummingbird mean on the totem animal? Melt the fat and clear the way your body. Oh, these are a few specific audios made for that purpose. We'll continue the house tour in a minute. And then you get this 2-hour live chat. And then the 7-day reboot, that is a really good program, along with like detox mastery, juicing mastery, and all that. And that's the end of that. So if you haven't picked that up, you only have about 4.5 days to do so. So thanks everybody who did that. That is my iPod. Amazing little tool. Here's my view, and see those buildings over there? They actually act as like a blue light for the filming over here. Oh, but can't miss the little yoga studio here. I found that table in the trash, this chair in the trash, that little table in the trash. I found the yoga stuff in the trash. Not the mat though, I bought the mat. Some things you gotta buy brand new, like yoga mats. Can you dig it? Here's the porch. I've just got the, that's an inversion table. So now I own 2 of them. I've got one in Hawaii and one here. See if I can get a better angle on it. Inversion tables are really great. I like to hang upside down. They say don't do it, but I do it. I hang for a long time. Feels good to me. This is an overflow of oranges. The whole thing here was stacked up with oranges, the overflow that won't fit in the fridge and stuff, but I've been chomping through them and juicing them up. So that's my last box. I'm gonna go reload. Here's the tripod for the filming of the videos right there. And you see how the lighting, especially, I thought it was gonna be the best in the morning because the sun rises up over there behind that tree. But actually what's best is when it's about 3 o'clock, it's 2 or 3, it's actually about 2 o'clock, because what time is it now? It's getting close to 2. I have guests coming at 2 to film videos. Dara's on her way over. We're gonna make some videos and hang out, have a salad. But the light hits the building over there and bounces into here, and then it's like having your own blue lights, you know, and so it's pretty cool. And then the camera sits right here. Of course, you've seen that view a few times, haven't you? So we got the Green Star Pro, and it's actually better than the, Green Star Elite. The gears are just better, and you just get a better extraction. This is my little microphone setup. It's not that great, but it works okay. You can hear the major echo because there's no carpets or anything, so it's like blah, 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 blah. But I do have a wireless mic coming tomorrow, so my sound should improve. 29 bucks. Dan, why didn't you buy that like a year ago, ding dong? So I got it all Jimmy rigged up over here. This thing works okay, but the little thing broke off that keeps it stuck on my shirt. You know what I'm saying? So here's the kitchen, there's the trash, there's the cutting board. I do use the dishwasher for jars. And this, of course, is my view that I see when I'm making videos, right here up to my eyeballs. See? So this is my position. Yours was a minute ago. Nice little kitchen, right? And I really love this little thing. That's the reason why I wanted to get it. My other apartment is right across the street. And it was an awesome apartment. They both have really good qualities. This one I think I like a little bit better just because the kitchen, but the 2 windows upper, right. So that one straight ahead, and then that one was my old apartment. And so I wanted to just go through the kitchen here. Let's look at the fridge, man. We're stocked up, dude. We're stocked up. We just went to the market yesterday. This is the greens, all that. It's just greens, microgreens. Back in here, there's some fruit, apples, and massive amounts of cucumbers because they're like $1 a piece. And they're just gorgeous for $1, dude. So I'm loading up and I'm gonna make a bunch of cucumber juice because it's one of my favorites. It's the most hydrating thing. Oranges, lemons, and some grapefruits, and got a big old stash of avocados and Pyridime. Here's my water stash, some bee pollen, some really good pecans, amazing, some really good Brazil nuts, can't really see those. So that's the fridge, coconuts of course, and then let's see how much frozen food I eat. Oh, none. Cool, good. Frozen foods is not my favorite thing. But these are from the farmer's market yesterday, and these are from Sprouts. Perfectly ripe bananas. Can you dig it? A great juicer. And then this is what I've got, nothing. I've got 2 of these, 1 of these, and then jars, and that's it. And I have, I'll show you all my silverware. I mean, my life is like, my diet food thing is so, that's all my silverware. I barely use it. I usually eat with my hands. I got a really great, this is the old school 11 Cup Pro. I had one of these for like 15 years it lasted last time. So hopefully this one, I'm holding on to this because these are awesome. The only reason the other one died out was because this mechanism broke, and I could have got a replacement piece, but Somebody actually sent this to me for 50 bucks. So I'm like, no problem. Vitamix, I like the Vitamix, of course, but this blender, this base, this pitcher, I mean, is my least favorite. It just doesn't blend as well as the other ones. So I have like 3 of them in Kauai, you know, so I'm gonna just get another one with the narrow base, because this one doesn't blend as well. It leaves chunks and stuff. And I never had that before with the more narrow bottom. So I'm gonna go back, I'm just gonna order one online. I mean, I can make it work, but I'd rather have the really good one. This is the medicine stash here. I got Dr. Morse's herbs. I got all the tinctures, and then all of the dried herbs. And then of course, Pyridine is, you got the cleanse and the herbal blood, the lifetime Pure Life, and then I got it all stacked up back there. Life Essentials, Raw Life Protein. Whoa, I'm down to 1 bag left. Uh-oh. Oh no, okay, there we go. We got a couple bags of like 1 bag, red alert, red alert, red alert. No, I got 3 bags, okay. And then of course the Kauai Pharmacy herbs. And then the supercells, hydrogen, oxygen. And then you have to have, this is the best from Symbiotica. This here is a good brand. Blooming Lotus, I think is what it's called. Lotus Blooming Herbs, that's a really good brand. This one is the best. Shilajit by the Symbiotica. And then, sorry legit, but this stuff sucks, man. They talked me into it at the store, but it's just nowhere near the quality at all. And then, I don't know what this is, probably a bunch of junk food, just almonds mostly, a whole bunch of enzymes. I did an experiment with all these enzymes. Like, does anybody want a bunch of enzymes? Because they don't even come close in any way, shape, or form to, nothing comes close to Pyridine, you know. The concentration and efficacy of Pyridine is off the charts. Compared to all these are like 3 or 4 out of 10. Pyridine is 10 out of 10. Honey. This is some coconut oil. Honey, I'm a honey guy. And what else we got? We got some, these dates are off the chain. I don't really eat that much dried fruit, but those are some good dates. A little bit of olive oil. This is the best, Paisano, by far. This is like, oh, you know, this Madhava is kind of like 5 out of 10, but that Paisano is like 9 out of 10. The only way to do it better is to go to the market and have the dude squeeze it right there in front of you. That's which they do sometimes in California. This is the laundry room. Myers Clean Day, Clorox, my little Yeti bag, washer, dryer, and of course the Mega Home water distiller, always pumping, making some serious water there. Some pumpkin seeds soaking. I got the little tea maker, the citrus juicer. There really isn't much else. And then, so finally is the guest room here with the rebounder. Yeah, baby, the LGBTQ rebounder. What's up? Little meditation stash. I mean, I got like, the whole place is set up for meditation everywhere you go. That's a really cool Bose speaker. That was an investment, because that little thing right there is like a whole bumping ass system. It's crazy what they did. That is the bug out bag. Uh-oh, he's got a 9mm chilling. That's the bug out bag. I'm planning on making a video soon with the bug out bag out in the desert. Oh, don't forget the pull-up bar. I found that in the dumpster too. Can you dig it? I mean, like, my whole life is a dumpster dive, except the Bose speaker. I had to buy that. Here's the Kauai Pharmacy, dude, stash. Love me some hydrosols, serums, and that body butter will save your butt out in this dry-ass desert, man. And then, of course, I'm like a rose water fanatic always, because it's so dry here. And then I am the princess of essential oils. These are all the cheap ones that I use for the diffuser, you know. And I also use them on my yoga mat when I lay my yoga mat out and douse them with this, and then when I go to yoga, I'm blasting the place with essential oils. And then we got the Wisdom of the Earth, and then this is a local brand. This guy, I met him and he gave me the whole rundown. That is some chronic essential oils. Can you dig it? And then these are the kind of the ones currently in use. All kinds of amazing essential oils, oral use, topical use, you know, and then olfactory. The Morocco method, of course, best in the West for your hair. More Morocco method. Here's the shower. Oh, it's not really a shower, actually. It's actually a bath. The other shower is the shower. This is the bath. I modified this to turn it into like a hot spring thing where I could run the water and just slow it down. Because if I only use this, it just fills up the tub within like 3 minutes. I like to fill it up really slow and cook. So I'll sit in here for a half an hour slowly running the water because I can control the pressure, and I slow it down, and then I heat it up, and I just cook like a lobster. Then I go jump in the shower with the cold pool. This is my little clothes closet. I don't have much. Still celebrating the key codes for sure. Always will. Shorts. This is my little yoga stash ready for tomorrow. It's Sunday, so they don't have any yoga on Sunday morning, so I just usually miss Sunday. Happy Easter, by the way. Got a few clothes. Not much. Little dress shirts. Went to the men's warehouse. I'm a bit of a hat guy myself. I gotta keep myself in check. So so that's about it. I don't even know what the heck is next. That would be it. So let me see, 17 minutes in. Thanks everybody for watching the video. I just voyeurism. I'll be here for a couple more months, and then I'm gonna head out into the wilderness. Can you dig it? Thanks for the thumbs up and the comments. Peace.